Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Chaitasi. I'm a consultant gynecologist at Epic Hospital. On the occasion of International Women's Health Day, I wish you all a very happy Women's Day. Today the topic of conversation would be Pap Smear. As we know, Pap Smear is an investigation that is taken from the cervix which shows whether there is cervical cancer or not. It is a smear which we take for laboratory investigation. Based on the reports, we know whether we are suffering from cervical cancer or not. Hence, it is very important for any girl, any lady above the age of 35 years to get a Pap smear done. In case there is family history of any gynecological malignancy, then a Pap smear must be taken yearly. If there is no family history of any malignancy, then even 2 yearly Pap smear can be done. Pap smear is an investigation which is not painful at all. It is a 2-minute investigation. It doesn't take more time, but it is just that the female has to come, and unfortunately we tend to avoid female health. Hence, this is very important for us to get a Pap smear done as well as a mammography done every 2 yearly. Please make sure that we take care of our health. Cancer in early stages is absolutely treatable, and we can prevent cancer from happening if we get investigated yearly. Thank you so much.